Hi, it's Mining44 here, and today I will show you how to solve the problem with the hop-up losing its setting in the Noveske N4 replica from Double Eagle. After a few games with my gas Noveske N4, I noticed that after setting the hop-up, the replica shoots well for a while, and then the BB starts to go low. I assumed that the hop-up must be losing its setting, and to check it, I did a small test. I set the hop-up, painted the marker on the knob, shot one mag and checked the position of the marker. As I thought, the marker moved by itself, which means that the knob has some play, so we have to make it stop. To get to the knob, you need to partially disassemble the replica. I'll start by separating the receiver halves and pulling out the bolt carrier. Then I knock out the front pin and disconnect the lower receiver. We will only work on the upper. The next step is to unscrew the muzzle device. It is secured with a 1.5mm Allen screw. After unscrewing it, I start unscrewing the front. It's secured with 6 T20 Torx screws. After removing the front, it's time for the dummy gas block. It is screwed with two 2mm Allen screws. I take out the block along with this gas pipe. Now the nut holding the outer barrel. And now I can pull out the entire barrel assembly along with the chamber. The next step is to unscrew the Phillips screw holding the hop-up adjustment block. After unscrewing it, I can slide it back. Now I carefully use tweezers to remove the wheel retention pin and its spring. Be careful not to let these elements fly off. One way to tighten the knob is to replace the pin with a small resistor, but I will try another method. As you can see, the knob turns very loosely. That's why it loses its setting due to the replica's vibrations. I pull out the pressure arm, and now I unscrew the knob itself. There is a lot of grease under it, so I clean everything thoroughly. To make the knob move harder, you can put a small O-ring underneath, like from a lighter nozzle. The O-rings that I had were unfortunately too big, so I went a different direction. The wheel spindle is about 3.96mm in diameter, and since I have metal Spetsna Arms washers with a 4mm diameter hole, I decided to use them. Although they are not suitable for trimming the gearbox, here they work great. With a number of washers, I could adjust how hard the wheel should work. To make sure that the wheel wouldn't come loose, I secured the screw with a bit of thread glue before assembling the replica. The only thing left to do was to put the replica back together and test it. I did the fix a few months ago, and so far I haven't noticed any problems with the hop-up setting, so I considered it a success. And as an example, I can give you a gameplay video in which I use the replica after repair. That's all for today. If today's material is helpful in your opinion, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and write a comment. It will make the material reach more viewers who may need this advice. And for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.